Two different radio signals can occupy the exact same physical space at the exact same time without ever blurring into noise. Your phone receives thousands of data packets simultaneously, yet it can isolate a single stream with perfect clarity. This is not a result of physical shielding, but a geometric property called orthogonality. In linear algebra and signal processing, orthogonality is the mechanism that allows us to decompose complex, overlapping information into completely independent dimensions. If you change a value in one orthogonal dimension, the others remain mathematically invisible to that change. At its most basic level, orthogonality is the generalization of being perpendicular. Consider two vectors, A and B, in a two-dimensional plane. If these vectors are at a 90-degree angle to each other, their dot product is 0. The formula A dot B equals the sum of AI BI equals the magnitude of A times the magnitude of B times the cosine of theta shows us why. When the angle theta is 90 degrees, the cosine term becomes 0, effectively nullifying the entire product. This 0 result is the mathematical definition of independence. It means that vector A has no projection or shadow onto vector B. You can move infinitely along the direction of A without ever changing your position relative to B. This geometric isolation allows us to build coordinate systems. In a standard three-dimensional Cartesian space, we use the unit vectors I, j, and k. Because these three axes are mutually orthogonal, we can describe any point in space as a unique combination of three coordinates. If you are flying an aircraft and you change your altitude, represented by the z-axis, your latitude and longitude on the x and y-axes remain unchanged. Orthogonality is what prevents the dimensions of our physical world from leaking into one another, allowing us to treat complex motion as three simple, independent problems. We can extend this logic beyond arrows in space and apply it to functions. In functional analysis, we treat a continuous function as a vector with an infinite number of components. To determine if two functions f of x and g of x are orthogonal over a specific interval, we calculate their inner product using an integral from a to b of f of x times g of x dx. If the area under the product of these two functions sums to exactly 0, the functions are orthogonal. This means that within that interval, the two functions share no common components. They are perpendicular in a high-dimensional function space. This is the core mechanic of the Fourier series. A complex, messy signal, like a recording of a violin, can be broken down into a sum of simple sine and cosine waves. We can do this because sines and cosines of different frequencies are orthogonal to each other. If you take sine of mx and sine of nx, where m and n are different integers, and integrate their product over a full cycle from 0 to 2 pi, the result is always 0. The positive areas where the waves reinforce each other are perfectly canceled out by the negative areas where they oppose each other.
Visualize the multiplication of two different sine waves on a graph. The resulting wave oscillates rapidly above and below the x-axis. When we calculate integral from 0 to 2 pi sine mx sine nx dx, we are measuring the net balance of these oscillations. Because the frequencies are different, the waves eventually fall out of sync, ensuring that for every unit of positive area created, an equal unit of negative area is produced elsewhere. However, if m equals n, we are integrating sine squared of nx. Since a squared value is always positive, the areas no longer cancel out. The integral yields pi, a non-zero value. The math has effectively detected the presence of that specific frequency while ignoring all others. This property turns orthogonality into a powerful mathematical filter. In digital communications, we use a technique called orthogonal frequency division multiplexing, or OFDM. We transmit data over multiple subcarrier frequencies that are specifically spaced so that they are orthogonal to each other. Even though these signals overlap in the frequency spectrum, a receiver can use the inner product integral to extract the data from one subcarrier without any interference from the others. This is why your 5G connection or Wi-Fi can handle massive amounts of data in a crowded electromagnetic environment. In the world of data science, orthogonality is used to simplify massive datasets through principal component analysis, or PCA. When we have hundreds of variables that are correlated, the data is redundant and difficult to process. PCA calculates the eigenvectors of the data's covariance matrix to find a new set of orthogonal axes. These new axes, called principal components, are ordered by how much variance they explain. By rotating the entire dataset onto these orthogonal axes, we can discard the dimensions that contain only noise, reducing the complexity of the problem without losing the essential structure of the information. Orthogonality also defines the limits of what is possible in quantum mechanics. In a Hilbert space, the states of a quantum system are represented by vectors. If two states are orthogonal, they are mutually exclusive. If a system is in state bra phi bat phi and we measure it against an orthogonal state bra phi cat phi, the probability of finding the system in that state is exactly zero. This geometric separation is what allows a quantum computer to maintain a superposition of states. The ability to perform calculations in these independent, non-interfering dimensions is what gives quantum computing its theoretical edge over classical binary systems. Ultimately, orthogonality is the mathematical tool we use to create order out of overlap. It allows us to define a basis, a set of fundamental building blocks that are guaranteed not to interfere with one another. Whether we are compressing a JPEG image by discarding orthogonal high-frequency components or isolating a single voice in a digital recording, we are relying on the fact that at a 90-degree angle, the product of two entities vanishes. Orthogonality is the quiet architecture of independence that makes modern signal processing, data science, and physics possible.